In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Mailchimp campaign in Make using an automated workflow scenario. We're going to walk through the full setup in a clear, practical way so you can follow along easily inside your own workspace. This process starts in Make.com, where you'll build a simple automation that takes information from a trigger app and sends it into Mailchimp as a new campaign action. Begin by opening Google Chrome and going to Make.com. Once you're in your automated workflow builder workspace, make sure you're viewing the main dashboard area where your scenarios are managed. This is the control center for building automations. So if you're new to the platform, take a second to get familiar with the layout before moving on. From there, click Create a New Scenario. This opens a fresh interactive canvas where your automation will be built visually. Think of this canvas as the map of how your data will travel from one app to another. Each module you add becomes a step in that journey, so keeping the layout clean and logical will make the scenario easier to manage later. Next, add your preferred trigger source application as the first module. For example, you might choose something like Google Sheets and use the watch rows trigger if you want the scenario to start whenever a spreadsheet is updated. The trigger is what tells Make when to begin the automation. So choose the source that best matches the way your data is created or collected. After that, add Mailchimp as the downstream action app. This will serve as the destination where the incoming data is used. Once Mailchimp is added, choose the action called Create a Campaign. This tells the workflow exactly what you want Mailchimp to do when the trigger runs. Now take your time mapping the data fields. This is where you connect the variable values coming from your trigger app into the appropriate Mailchimp campaign fields. Accuracy matters here because the campaign will only be created correctly if the right data is sent to the right place. Review each mapped value carefully and make sure the text fields, names, and content-related inputs line up properly. Once everything looks correct,